Unlocking the meaning of talk one's ear off. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a colorful phrase you might have heard or will definitely encounter in conversations: talk one's ear off. This expression is vivid, illustrative, and a great example of English idioms in action. So, let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it in your daily conversations. At first glance, talk one's ear off might conjure up some pretty wild images, but fear not. This phrase is purely metaphorical. To talk someone's ear off means to talk to someone for a long time, usually about less important matters, to the point where the listener might feel overwhelmed or bored. It's often used when someone speaks so much that the listener has no chance to contribute to the conversation. While the exact origins of talk one's ear off are not clearly documented, idioms like this one are part of what makes English a rich and vibrant language. This expression likely comes from the idea that someone could talk so much that it feels like they are physically taking a part of the listener's body. In this case, the ear. It vividly captures the experience of being bombarded with words. Now that you know what it means, let's put talk one's ear off into action. Here are a few examples. Sorry for talking your ear off last night about my stamp collection. I just get so excited. My aunt can talk your ear off about her travels. You better have some time if you ask her about them. He talked my ear off about his new job. It sounds interesting, but I could barely get a word in. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, always implying a one-sided conversation where one person does most of the talking. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use idiomatic expressions like talk one's ear off. This phrase is informal, so it's best used in casual conversations among friends, family, or close colleagues. It's not suitable for formal contexts, but it's perfect for a light-hearted complaint or in storytelling, especially when you want to add a touch of humor or exaggeration. And that wraps up our exploration of talk one's ear off. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this expressive idiom and how it can be used to add color to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to enrich your understanding of the language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to talking your ear off with more English tips in our next video.